Philippines a secret history. According to our geography, Manila is the capital city, down between from the other country. Metro Manila, Quezon City, Caloocan, Pasay, Makati, Marikina, Pasig, Sapute, Malabon, Las Piñas, Parañaque. From the north, Batanes, Apare, Ilocos Sur, Ilocos Norte, Isabela, Cagayan Valley, Mountain Province, La Union, Baguio City, Nueva Ecija, Nueva Vizcaya, Tarlac, Pangasinan, Pampanga, Zambales, Bataan, Abra, Bulacan, Cavite, Batangas, Laguna. Now let's go to the Southern Luzon, Camarines Norte, Quezon, Albay, Camarines Sur, Catanduanes, Masbate, Sorsogon, and we are three islands small, Mindoro, Marinduque, Romblon, then down to Visayan shore, Timor sa sugar, coconut and corn. Ay, yeah. Cebu, Mactan, Mandawi. Ay, yeah. Bohol sa Marlite. Ay, yeah. Iloilo, Aklan, Capiz, Antique, Palawan, Negros, Bacolod, Siquijor, Dumaguete. Now let's go from the land of promise, the land of Mindanao, Bukidnon, Zamboanga, Rizales, Mamahawutwan, Agusan, Surigao, Cagayan de Oro, Iligan, Osamis, under the three provinces at Davao, Davao Sur, Oriental, di Norte, Cotabato, Lanao, Sulot, Tawi-Tawi. Ay, yeah. Philippines a secret history. Ay, yeah. Manila is the capital city. Ay, yeah. Naisyaga channel are invited to see. According to our geography, Philippines is a beautiful country.